We're lucky enough to have been sent a Keter shed. In this particular case, this is an Oakland 759. During this video, you'll also see me putting up a smaller Keter shed. I have to say, these are the best sheds that I've put up. Everything is clear and precise. There's a comprehensive instruction manual and it's really easy to understand. Unbelievably, all of the little bags that contain the screws and labels are all labelled, so you can refer to them when you're referring to the instruction manual. Puts other instruction manuals to shame. The shed itself is incredible quality. As you've seen, we've taken everything out of the boxes to make sure everything was there when it arrived, which it was. I'm putting it together. You will watch this happening. It's really simple. These are great quality sheds. They're clearly waterproof. It's a really windy day and we're managing to get it up with ease. I can't say any more about them. They're really great sheds. Watch the video, see both the large and the small sheds going up, and you'll see what a comprehensive range we have from Keter. A great shed, and we recommend that everybody should have these in their garden. While Charlie's putting the shed up, I do need to mention the Duotech material that these sheds are made from. It's fantastic. It's UV resistant, it has incredible rigidity, it offers the ultimate protection, it's so easy to assemble, and on top of all of that, it can be painted. You can even get kits for putting shelves up on the walls for these sheds. And this is that small unit. It's called the High Store from Keter. It's a fantastic garden store. Instructions pretty much identical to the bigger shed. It all slots together. Again, all the fixings are labelled really clearly. You can't go wrong with them. And you'll see this one going up at the same time as the big one. And that's the High Store, an incredible piece of garden storage equipment from Keter. As you've seen, so easy to put together, no messing about. It slots together, a few screws here and there, holding it really sturdy. This is going to be a great asset to anybody's garden. So take a look at this, have a look at the main video with the bigger shed in. It really is good quality stuff from Keter, so much simpler than putting wooden garden sheds together.